Hello everyone. So in the last video we have seen or we have come to know that we cannot keep a digital pin in an undefined state. Okay, so that is not allowed. Okay, so undefined is not okay. The digital pin at the initial state before any digital input. I mean, if you are going to take an input using a digital pin, before you are giving any input, that particular pin should be, excuse me guys, the particular pin should be in a state either 1 or 0, either high or low, either 5 voltage or 0 voltage normally. Okay, so you can't keep it in an undefined state. Okay, so what does it mean is, let's say you have a circuit like this, you have an input source. Okay, so let's think about a switch. Do you know a switch or a push button? Okay, something like this. So we can normally draw a switch like this. Okay, so then here we have the press button. So you can think this is a switch, this is a push switch. Okay, what does a push switch means, guys? You know it? Okay, I'll tell you what it is. So push switch means I'm sorry guys, in the next video I will show you a picture of it, or you can simply Google push switch, PUSHSWITCH, then you will know what it is. So you can simply search for this. Okay, push switch or push button, both the same, and look at the images. So what does this do is, you can see in between these two, we can say these are two terminals. Okay, it's black, two terminals. Okay, so in between the two terminals there is no connection. Here there is no connection. So when this connection will happen is when you press this switch, push, that means switch, the upper part, when you press it, what will happen? It will go down, right? It will come down, and when it is this part, which part? When this part, okay, this part coming here like this, okay, then there's a connection will be created between these two terminals. Okay, do you understand what I'm telling? Then the connection will be completed. Wait, let me go for a control plus that and see what I can do. Okay, that's fine. So now what I'm going to how I'm going to complete the circuit is like this. Let's say here I have 5 voltage connection. Okay, using some source, this term in this side will be going to 5 voltage. So before that we will have the names for the places. So for, let's say for here, I mean this terminal, okay, I will name as B. Okay, this terminal I will name as A and B. Okay, so this is A and this is B. Okay, that's fine. So the B is connected to 5 voltage. Okay, and A is not connected with B now, because all these scenarios, I mean this system, this together will be the switch. I mean the one side of the switch is B, other side of the switch is A. So one side of the switch is going to 5 voltage, other side of the switch, that A, will go to Arduino's pin, any of the digital pin that you want to go. Let's send it to 53. Okay, so you can think I is going inside 53. Okay guys, okay, that's fine. Now the switch is not pressed, that means there is no connection between A and B. Okay, so now what is the state of the pin 53? Is this in 5 voltage? That means is this in 1 or high? No, right? Why? Because the 5 voltage is only up to B. Okay, the 5 voltage is only up to the point B, from here to here. From here to here there is no connection, because the button is not pressed, the switch is not pressed. You understand? So A doesn't have anything connected actually. The pin is having a wire, and the wire is coming here and not doing nothing. So that means the pin is not connected to anything. So you know, if the pin is not connected to anything, that means plus or minus, there's no connection, only a wire is hanging outside. You can think like that. What is the state if it is so? The state is undefined. It cannot be either 1 or 0. We don't know what even the state is. You understand? So if we have this circuit, the pin is at the initially at the undefined state. Okay, keeping it this way, let's see what is going to happen when we press a switch. Okay, so let's say you are pressing the switch. Okay, you're pressing the button. That means this guy is going down. Who this guy? Then what will happen is he will come here. Okay, because he has come down. Okay, he has come here. Which guy? The button, push button. Okay, has come down. Something like this. Now the A and B are connected. Now what will happen is this 5 voltage will go from here to here, and through B it will go to point A. Okay, and the point A is connected to 53. So in other words, what is the meaning of this is the number 53, pin number 53 is directly connected to 5 voltage. That means the connection is created between the pin and the 5 voltage. Okay, so using this A and B and the push button. Do you understand? So now you will know 53 will become 5 voltage. 5 voltage mean what? 1. That means high. This is correct. Why? Because when you press the button, it is going to 5 voltage. That's totally fine. But before you are pressing this button, what was the state of the pin? It's undefined, right? So what did I tell you? When we are giving a digital input, okay, so we can give a digital input because we are giving a 5 voltage. Okay, whenever we press the button. So when we are giving a digital input, even before we giving an input, we cannot keep the pin in undefined state. We have to give the pin a state. Okay, so we have to find a way. Okay, we have to find a way this particular pin make this particular pin in a state either 1 or 0. Okay, so since let's come to that later. Okay, either 1 or 0, we have to give the pin a state, high or low. Then we can press the button and give this input, whatever it is. Okay, so if you don't understand, just don't worry. In the last video I said we cannot keep that particular pin in undefined state, but so that we are supposed to give a state at the initial state as well. Initial state means what? You are not giving an input, you are not pressing the button, but at that state it is in undefined state. So we cannot let it happen. We have to give the pin a particular state, 1 or 0, using the circuit. So we have to add something else to the circuit now. Okay, so by adding that, we are supposed to bring this particular pin number 53 to a state. We are getting rid of the undefined state of the pin. So how we can do it, we will see in the next video. And if you don't understand this video by any means, please watch the previous video and come back to this video. Then the things will get clear. So don't worry, just follow me up in the next video and then you will understand what we are actually doing. Okay guys, so I am stopping the video here and consider subscribing us and stay safe.